Kiosk Animales. Ang bagal.
Oh, yan, yan.
San ka ba? Nasaan na ako? Shawarma.
Eme mo. Ikaw yun eh, iba yun eh.
Ang bagal natin. Sa behind tala. Ba't ang bilis mo ay?
Ba't di na-open?
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1, turn on the grill. Customers just love their shawarma hot.
Turn on the grill.
Saan yung grill? Ay. Ito.
Great. Now open the window.
Open
Let
the kiosk.
everyone know you're ready.
Ano bang meaning ng kiosk? What is the meaning of kiosk?
Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music
If a
keeps the
smiling
mood up.
customer handle has
Friendly
soda,
reminder, don't
the
look
work
into
making
their
company
eyes.
gives you
It's more
the
fun that
work
way.
making company
Have a
gives you
wonderful
much
shift.
safety and
Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their
The
way.
best moving bundle he gives you must stay sealed under the counter. Every Friday around 2 a.m., a car with no driver will arrive. That's the inspection. Exit through the back door immediately. Never look at the shawarma stand during the inspection, ever. Should the meat on the skewer begin to pulse and moan, turn off the grill and leave. Do not listen to the voices in the meat. They
Ayun na.
only want you to stay.
Two shawarma.
If a faceless man come to order, serve him, but never
What?
look
You
directly
judging
at
me
his
or something?
Some customers must not be
Everyone
served
else
at all.
eats trash.
Close
I
the
know
window
what's good.
immediately. In case of
Got it.
unusual
300 for both.
unknown anomalies
How
act
do I
according to the circumstances that
check with
the
labas?
reasonable measures. Never open the door unless you must, and always check anomalous customer to the cameras first. Your shift lasts from 10 p.m. to 7.
Oh my gosh.
Uy, Friday na doon.
Ano? Saan yung sauce? Ay, ito pala. Dalawang shawarma.
Rule 5. If a thick fog appears, do not go outside under any circumstances. And lastly, only serve a customer if you are certain they are human. Welcome. Congratulations. You've finally been accepted for the night shift.
I don't like that sound. Ew.
The shift usually
Ba't ganun yung sound pag sa meat? Ba't ganun yung sound? Like, parang pooping. I'm doing a content, by the way. Take. Hala, dalawa pa. Dapat speedrun. Dalawa yung in-order niya eh. Ikaw mag-ano ng chicken. Tingnan mo yung sound. Ikaw na. Will switch. Ay. Ano meron? Ba't tayo gumawa ng grill? Ay, add meat? Ayaw. Ikaw gawin naming meat. Char. Weh? Wala nakalagay na arrow. Oh.
Here's your shawarma.
Goodbye.
Not great, honestly.
Grabe siya.
and way too expensive for what it is. I'll eat it anyway.
Baka hindi
Goodbye.
pala tuloy yung...
Next time I expect a discount.
Uy! Ano yun? Nakita ko sa TikTok may parang tao dyan sa taas ng fridge.
One shawarma, please.
One shawarma, please. Di naman siya
Late
nakasmile.
dinner?
Late dinner.
For me,
For
yes,
me,
my
yes.
kids
My
already
kids
ate, but I
already ate,
skipped.
skipped.
Can't cook after
Can't.
today.
Ba't may pautot?
That's 150.
Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Pati si Game nakakatamad eh. Baka shawarma lang ang shawarma lang in order niya, hindi meat. Meat shawarma.
Here you go.
Thank you, at least I won't go to bed hungry.
April 1, Friday. Ay, ano yun?
One shawarma, please.
Ano ba yan?
Yes, one shawarma.
All right, that will be 150.
150 for both of us.
Both?
We share everything,
Bakalan mo.
even hunger.
Diba? Gumagawin sila.
Anong gagawin? Anong gagawin? Dito. Eh? Yung leeg nila. Okay na?
Nawala na lang sila bigla, oh. Bakit mo ba binuksan?
Binigyan pa tayo ng cash nun.
Ano mo dito sa... Huh? Hindi mo nakita. Dito sa bibigit ka muna.
Weh? Baka purpose. Baka on purpose talaga yun. Isasara mo talaga yung pinto, tapos may jump scare. Ano pa patingin nga yung rules? If a face mask... Ay,
Make it fast. No grill. No onions.
ba't kailangan umutot?
Sure, 150.
Ikaw na ate dyan. Ayun, di ba? Nandito na siya sa buhok. Tingnan mo, ate Sophia.
Sabi ko sa'yo. Uy, may sila mo ka?
No? Close the window if you don't want to serve a customer. Serve normal customers. Closing the window on them is a mistake. Don't serve animals.
Good. Keep it up.
Yak, ano to? Ito, oh. Sa baba. Ano ba yan? May utot-utot. Kaya nga, diba? Next customer, please. Para makauwi na kami. Yung pusa, nandun pa rin. Mamaya mag-pinipog pala yung pop-up. Tumatawag. Ito yung next customer. Anong meaning ng kiosk? Kiosk. Animatis. Ano yung animatis? Ano ang gagawin? Labas na tayo. Turn on. Or open. Tagal. Saan? Saan? Close ko talaga to. Salary. Twitter and anong gagawin? Walang tao. Walang tao. Tulog na sila. So that's it, guys. Wala pa sila customer. Wala pang customer. Ano ba itong buhok? Or may mali tayong nagawa? Oo nga, bakit? Ano nang gagawin? Oy? Ate? Uy. Ayan na, may customer na. Kaya pala may mga utot kasi may lobo dito. Oh. Maybe we did something wrong. Okay guys, that's it for today's video.
Ayoko na pag gusto ko maglaro.
Oh yeah.